Hello my friends, today I am doing a video of shoulder length wigs, some straight and some wavy or curly. I get questions all the time. So this isn't one of those quick reviews, bam, 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 60-second review. So this I'm going to show you. If you're shopping for a wig, you want to see the difference. Do I want a straight? Do I want a wavy? Do I want a shoulder length? So I want to show you some of those options today. Some are my old ones and some are my new ones. And I want to show you how they are keeping up, because I do have one that I've had for over 2 years. And also, I'd like to share tips in between, because you ask questions, and so those of you that are my subscribers, I'm here for you, and I want to be sure and answer some of those questions in this video. Always do. So stick around. Let's try on some wigs together, get a cup of coffee, a glass of wine, and let's share this time together. And if you have any questions, always put them down in the comments below so that I can do a video answering your questions next time, or maybe when I have my live, I'll bring your questions up in my live. I plan on having one again next week. So, okay, let's get started. Let's go ahead and do some of the straight ones. This first one I'm going to show you is current events. This is an old one. I've had this for 2.5 years. And so you can see here, it's really kept up. I mean, I think it still has a good look to it. And this one had a middle part with lace front, and it's straight. It's from Raquel Welch, called Current Events. Let's try her on. Flip her back. And Current Events has been around for a while, but she is just a tried and true. Let's get a wide tooth comb, and you can see here, she is a shoulder length bob. An average cap, and I think on the Current Events it is a real true average cap. Let me get up even closer. Sometimes I just can't see because I'm doing this all into the camera. I don't have a mirror here. I'm actually standing in a floor to ceiling window so that you can have daylight. So this isn't with ring lights. There's no ring lights here. This is just daylight. So I think it gives a truer look than when I have lights on me. So there you go. See, nice bob. This is a little bit thicker density. It's not poofy. There isn't any permatease in this, but it just has more wefts in it. So it gives it a thicker bob. But you can see here, 2 years later, she's holding up really nicely. Let me turn around. So this is Current Events. She's still tuckable behind the ear. This is a great one for being able to put a headband in. It's still, I think, a really popular wig. If you want a nice blunt and you want that nice bob, longer bob to the shoulders. And you can see here, it does have a really good hairline. And this is where you want to wear a cap, because see how you can start seeing white through here? That's my white hair. So someone asked me just in the last day or so about what to do if you're ordering a silver wig and you have silver bio hair. First of all, you can wear a skin color wig cap, put that on, and that's going to give you the skin cap underneath it, your skin color, so that doesn't look like a white part. Or you can just use a foundation type of powder and then tap it in where you put the part, and that's going to not show the white hair through it to give it a more natural part. So this is Current Events by Raquel Welch. Is On the Room by Gabor, and this one has a nice, this is a side part, lace front from into the ear tab, so really nice full. This is a bob, but it has shorter lengths in the front and then longer. Where the current events, all one length in the front, and then the bob angled down. And Gabor's on the rim. I needed to bring that up. This is silver. So this is silver, that number 60 silver with Raquel Welch. And this is on the rim. This is Arctic white. So these are all shades of gray today, from white to gray. This one is just, I don't know, this is a really pretty on. Maybe because I love the white contrast. My hair is white, although short. Maybe if it was thick and long, it would look like this. As you can see here, this is a shoulder length. The other one came right to the shoulders. This is a little longer shoulder length. Side view, back. I think this is just a very pretty wig. It has a very pretty hairline. Very pretty hairline. And again, you can see that I could really enhance the roots by using some makeup or a skin color. I'm gonna leave my glasses on today as much as possible. People are always wanting to know, can I see you in the wigs with glasses on? Because so many of us wear glasses, sunglasses, glasses, reading glasses. So there you go. That's how it fits with my glasses on. This is an oldie but goodie. One of my very, very, very first is Well Played. And silver's 60. This is Raquel Welch, Well Played. This is longer. This is past the shoulder. But she has been really good because she is heat friendly. She does need heat on her, and it's straight. So I like heat friendly straight ones because I can put heat to it and keep it looking just this good. And she's the one I've had almost the longest. I can wear caps with her. I can wear hats with her. I can braid her, put her in ponytails. So I've done a lot with Well Played. The key to Well Played is be sure and keep it detangled and apply heat regularly. You want to spray water on it, not a lot, just get it misted, and then apply a heating tool to it to get the corkscrews out. Synthetic hair is basically made of a plastic. And so you want, if you stretch on it, if you overbrush it too much, if you pull on it too much, it will corkscrew. Like, have you ever pulled something and then it kind of corkscrews, a plastic band or something? That's what this fibers will do. So the key is, I always wear it forward as often as possible to keep the back from tangling. Also, every time I take it off, I spray a detangler on it. Let me get it for you. This is from wigs.com, and it is their beauty mark is a smoother detangler. So this is excellent to put this on after you take it off and comb it through. That's going to really help the longevity of it, and then using heat. And that's going to make it, keep it looking, even after 2 years, this one's still doing great and I still love it. Is Simmer Elite. And I love, now we're getting into some of the wavy. Wanted to show you some lengths that are shoulder length, a little bit of shoulder length, and this nice wave pattern. Someone said, do you have any curly wigs? So I'm going to show, I don't have a curly in silver, but I do have one that is curly on the ends. We'll get to her. But this one is Simmer Elite, Raquel Welch. Here's another solution. Do you see this right here? This is called scar tape. And scar tape actually gives it, because it's skin color, it makes it look like your scalp. So I don't like to wear a lot of wig caps and wig grips. So you can see here, this just peels off. It's reusable and will stick right back on. So this one is Simmer Elite. This is a hand-tied cap. The Elite means that this is all hand-tied, and the top. So it is a really wonderful wig. As you can see here, it's even darker gray underneath in the back. And see how we're starting to get into that nice wave pattern. I really like this. It's to the shoulders. So if you want, this is kind of fun to mix up. If you wanted something for some days straight and some days wavy, or like you went to the salon or you spent all day in the bathroom curling your hair, then this would be the look to go to. I spent all day getting my hair done, and you know what's great? It doesn't come undone. Step out in this rainy weather here in the Netherlands, my hair's not going to fall and frizz or turn straight as a stick. Here's the side view and the back. This is Simmer Elite from Raquel Welch in Iced Granita. And iced granita is really white here, gray, and then it gets that dark gray underneath on the back, and that makes it the Iced Granita. Elite cap meaning that it's hand tied. This is where you start getting a bunch of curl. It's smoother on the top, I like that, and then down to a lot of curl. And what I do is, because this is a lot of curl, and they tend to get more tangly, is to use this detangler on it. Take it off, spray some detangler on it. I did it just this morning, and look at how nice and pretty that looks. Avalon in Icy Shadow. So see the shadow underneath in the back, the ice on top. It does have light brown rooting, has silvery platinum gray, and then that dark shadow brown in the back. And I just think it makes for a really fun party. This is my rocker chick, I always say, but she's the one that I just feel really fun and flirty in. She's just great. She just kind of, and what I like about these with the waves like this, all of these that I've shown you are really just right out of the box. I'm not messing with them. I'm not having to get a style going in them. So they're really perfect for that. I think this is really pretty. So if you're wanting more curl, because you can really, this one does have that permatease in it. This one you can really get really big in volume if you want it, or you can let it relax more. I like it, don't you? That's really pretty. I just love all my wigs. I know every wig I try on, I go, oh, I love this one. But you know, that's what you'll do. If you can't go to straight, if you have a place that you can try on wigs, go and try them on. You may not buy there because you can always get a better, probably price going online to get through someone like me who can offer you, if you private message me, direct message me, I can send you a link to a good discount. Wigs.com always has usually a discount going. If you go to the website, go through my link through Wigs.com and it'll take you to a discount. So that's something to consider doing. Go somewhere and try them on, but also remember they do have a good return policy. With Wigs.com, you can change the part. Just don't spray, do not spray any product on it, no product. But you can't change the part. You can comb it. The other thing you can do, you can use water. So this is allowed, change the part, the zigzag part is allowed, so you can still return it in 30 days. So it's a good reason. There are a lot of companies that say if you change the part, you can't send it back. So I think this is a great return policy with this company. This is Braylon from Amore, and it has a double mono top. See, that gives the skin illusion. So with this, I don't have to worry about my silver hair shining through, and it's hand tied. So really wonderful there. That makes for lower density. And this is really fun because it's a wolf cut. And you know that wolf cut has been really in. And I love this. With this wolf cut, see how nice that part is? Looks like skin, right? Looks like my scalp. So this is it. This is Braylon from Amore. And yeah, I just love it. I love the bangs like that with this wolf cut, with these layers. So this is a layered. The others that I've shown you, the curly, some of them are just one length and big barrel, like big curls. This one is layered. wonderful softer curls. I really like this. That side view is pretty. Now this can be changed. It doesn't have to be worn like this because it does have a free part on the top, so you can pull it back. But I just love this wolf cut look, pulling it down like that, because that's so trendy and it's so now. So we can be 67 years old and still look trendy if we want to. So that's it, my friends. I hope you've learned some tips and tricks along the way, and I've been able to show you a few wigs so that you could see them on in case you're shopping for a wig. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, give me a thumbs up, and that way I can keep doing this for you. Thank you, my darlings.